It's Cam's Chronicles.
Hi, my name is Cameron, and welcome to Cam's Chronicles. I'm going to read this book by a funny author, and his name is Willems. So this book has a lot of illustration and it's very nice. You should order it online. It's online or at my school library. So let's get started. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on your head by Willems. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on. Now there are two birds on your head. Now, why are two birds? What are two birds doing on my head? They are lovebirds. They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why? Why will two birds? What?
You need some help? It's okay.
It's whispering.
Why would?
Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three! eggs on your head. Does everybody see that eye and that mouth? He doesn't look happy. He did not look happy. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. This is not going to be like that good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Oh my goodness. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chip, chip, chip. Chip, chip, chip. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Why do you ask? Why not?
Let me see.
No, just whisper it.
Where do you want them?
Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
Can I see that? Oh, yeah.
No problem. It worked. But it worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
Can you see that? Where did the birds go? The birds went where?
On Piggy's head.
Oh, goodness.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. This is on YouTube, this show. If you want to watch it, just go to YouTube and you see Games Chronicles. Thanks for watching. Bye!